Hello, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install Gis Weather on Ubuntu 6.04. Okay, first open terminal and copy the first command and add sudo, don't forget, and give your password and press enter. Now we must update. Sudo apt-get update, and please wait. And the latest command apt-get install Gis Weather. Enable, because I forget sudo, so please don't forget. And it starts to install now. Please wait. And now let's open Gis Weather. City code and add. And click on close and reload selected. So this is Gis Weather. So I hope that it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Goodbye.